In this video, we will show you how to remove, clean and maintain the blade adjustment components on the Swan SI100 machine. We will start by removing the handle adjustment knob. Wipe and clean off all dirt, grime and old grease. Apply new grease or lube. If the machine is an older model or heavily used, you can also clean the hole where the knob attaches to using a brush. It also helps to prevent the knob from seizing up in the future. Reinstall the knob. You should be able to notice an improvement in adjusting the blade immediately. You should also clean off any hard water, dirt or grime that's been accumulated around these areas. Remove the blade and blade bracket to clean and scrub off any hard water, dirt or grime as well. By doing these simple yet effective maintenance routines, you should notice an improvement in performance of your blade adjustment components, which will increase the life of your Swan SI100 machine and minimize downtime. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.